You don't want to be in my video? But you want to be a parrot instead? Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I gotta get some pictures of that. For another makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup, and I have a very girly style, so that's why I titled this video something along the lines of a girly everyday makeup tutorial. Before we get started, I'm Sophia Lovelace. I post beauty videos, fashion videos, vlogs, and story times, so if any of that stuff interests you, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below to be notified when I have new uploads. I upload once a week, so you don't want to miss out when I have a new upload. This video is going to be part of a new series that I am creating on my channel, which is a how-to style guide for girly fashion and style and beauty. I thought since I have a very girly style myself that making this series of videos would be helpful for people to discover if they have a girly style or if they want to try having a girly feminine style, then these are how-to videos. This video is shot before I do my very first video for that series, so I just thought, you know what, I wouldn't put on makeup for any other reason than a video today, so I might as well record it and just show you guys what I would do as an everyday girly makeup look. But the foundation, I just put it on my hand. Oh, that's a mess. Oh no, I spilled it all over the place. That's okay. I'll clean it up at the end of this video. Oh my god. This is really messy. Anyway, so I just put it on my hand just like this. I wouldn't do this if I was a professional, but the thing is I'm not a professional, so don't come at me with hygiene stuff, because it's just going on my own face. I don't really have a routine of how I apply foundation. I just literally start wherever my heart desires. The main thing that I notice makes a difference on my face is when you use powdered foundation. So today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powdered foundation, which is the same as the liquid foundation. And by the way, nothing in this video is sponsored. I'm not cool enough for sponsors, but hey, if you know a company that would be willing to sponsor me, please. Did I just thumbs up with the unicorn thing? Okay, I'll start that again. So I'm just applying the powdered foundation now. This is an optional step, however, I highly recommend this step because what it does is it gives you kind of this airbrush quality and also keeps your face dry, so if you live in a warmer climate, then you won't sweat off your makeup. I live in Canada, so I do not have a problem with sweat pretty much for 10 months out of the year, because that's when winter is its own mythological world, own little realm, little Canada, and its weird climate, which is getting worse because of climate change. Today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette. This one's great for neutrals if you want a nice neutral looking palette. So you have some funky colors, like you have a blue here and you have kind of this orange here to create, you know, a wacky style if you would like, but mainly this is really good for everyday wear in my opinion. So today I'm going to be using the shade Truffled, yeah, Truffled, and the color Moose. Not moose as in like animal that's part of the cow family that roams the forests of North America, but like chocolate mousse. And not like hair mousse either, because in a chocolate palette I don't think hair mousse would be a good thing to include. I'm just going to apply Truffled in my crease. Look at how pigmented that color is. And just blend it out. It might take a while, and by a while I mean like 15 seconds, not that long. And now I'm gonna go in with mousse, and I'm going to go in and just put it on top of the other color. That is what my eyes look like when they're finished. So this literally just has the eyeshadow on my eyes. So I'm wearing my foundation and then I'm wearing my eyeshadow. Benefits of starting your girly style journey with a neutral colors is that it gets you used to wearing makeup and practicing makeup. So if you goof up, it doesn't look crazy and you don't have to worry too much about what your outfits and what the color of your outfits look like, because this eye makeup will look good with any color. Some girly styles tend not to have as much makeup, so more of a natural makeup look. So getting a palette or practicing using browns and beiges and other neutral colors will help you. There's a lot you can do with it and learn about your style. So what I'm gonna do now, this step is completely optional for a girly style, but like I said, this is kind of what I do for a daily girly style for work or for school. But I'm going to use liquid eyeliner. I love, 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 love the e.l.f. liquid liner. This cost me $2 to $3 at Walmart, and there's a lot actually in there. It only looks like a little bit in there, but you only need a little bit. Cat eyes take some practice, so if you're not a huge makeup fan, or if you are not that experienced with makeup, do not get frustrated with yourself if you can't do a cat eye right away. It took me like almost 2 years of practicing liquid eyeliner before getting to something that I like, a style that I like. I still goof up all the time though, and that's okay. Allow yourself to make mistakes. Love doing a cat eye because it's often associated with two very girly icons, which are Audrey Hepburn, who is an old Hollywood film star, and the modern celebrity of Ariana Grande. This is an example of a cat eye that I would do. It's very long, has a very long tail. That's not for everyone. You can even cut it in half. I'm going to go in with mascara, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. mascara because it's like $2 again, like the e.l.f. liner. Definitely worth the price, so that's why I'm using it. So it's a great way if you start wearing makeup to get started, because it's very You can put mascara on your bottom lashes. I'm not gonna do that. My bottom lashes are way too short, but that's something if you just go like this on your bottom lashes and it makes your eye look bigger. For me, it doesn't work, but I would recommend doing that. If just try it. Just try it. And then the very last step, I'm going to, this lipstick is a little bit beat up, but that's because I love it and I wear it every single day. And it is just the New York color, what is this one called again? Creamy Caramel, shade 440 or 440, right? I think is almost done, but it is such a beautiful neutral. I love it so much. It goes so well with my skin tone. So good, so I would highly recommend getting a nice nude shade. You can tell it's pretty subtle, nothing too crazy, but it still kind of gives you this airbrushed kind of look. So that is it for my look today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure to please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel using the red subscribe button down below to be notified when I have new uploads. So you can watch some of my videos here. Are you okay, Darcy? Okay, and that's it for today, and bye.